Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this square patch. You can make these patches and can make any project from this. I am using this 3-ply yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook for my project, but you can use any type of yarn or crochet hook. First of all, make a slip knot. And then make chains with the help of crochet hook. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, and make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. You can also make a magic ring. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, and after that we would make double crochets into the ring. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, yarn over, pull through, and now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. Make double crochet 2 into the ring. Make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, then double crochet 9, double crochet 10, and then double crochet 11. And now we have total of 12 double crochets including the 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Our first round is completed. Now we would start our second round. For the second round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and these 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet. After that, make chain 1 and make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, which is next to 3 chain, and after that make chain 1, make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, again make chain 1 and make a double crochet stitch into the next double crochet stitch, again make chain 1 and make a double crochet stitch into the next stitch. So in this way complete your round by making double crochet and chain 1. So I have completed my round. Now make chain 1 in the last and then make a slip stitch into the third chain, now our second round is completed. For the third one, again make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. And after that, into the chain 1 make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. After that make a double crochet into the double crochet stitch, make 2 double crochets into the next chain 1, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and again make a double crochet 2 times into the chain 1 space, and make a double crochet till the end. So I have completed my round. Now make a slip stitch to finish it into the third chain. So our third round is completed. For the fourth one, make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch, and now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, and then chain 6, and after making 6 chains, again make a single crochet into the same chain 3. Now make chain 1, skip 2 double crochet stitch, and into the third one make a single crochet. Now make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, skip 2 double crochet stitches, and into the third one make a single crochet. Again make chain 1, skip 2 double crochet stitches, and into the third one make a single crochet. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, and then chain 6, and make a single crochet again into the same double crochet stitch. After that make chain 1, skip 2 single crochet stitches, double crochet stitches, and into the third one make a single crochet. Make 3 chains and skip 2, and into the third one make a single crochet. Make chain 1, skip 2, and into the third one make a single crochet. And here we would make again 6 chains, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, and make a single crochet into the same double crochet stitch, and repeat the process till the end to make 4 corners of the square. So I have completed. Last step is remaining. So here make chain 1 and skip 2 double crochet stitches, and now we would make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch of this round, and now we would start working into this chain 6 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then chain 1, and again make 4 double crochets into the same space. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and after that make a single crochet into the chain 1 space right here. Now into the next chain 3 space we would make double crochets. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6. So make 6 double crochets into this chain 3 space and into the next chain 1 space, make a single crochet, and now into the next chain 6 space we would start working just like the previous one. Make 4 double crochets, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4, chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2, then double crochet 3, and double crochet 4 into the same space of chain 6, then make a single crochet into the chain 1 space, and then into the next chain 3 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6, and after that make a single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now into the next space repeat the process and complete the round. Now in the last make a single crochet into the chain 1 space, and after that make a slip stitch right here into the first double crochet stitch of the chain 6 space and pull the yarn. Cut it with the cutter and remove the extra yarn strand and weave this yarn end at the back side of your work. Cut this starting yarn end also. I have even ends. Now this is our square patch. You can make bags and you can make wrap midi dresses with this square also. Thank you for watching. Bye.